Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Big news for Summerlin area residents and Las Vegas drivers. Sometime this year, Clark County will spend $100 million to expand and change the current design of the Summerlin Parkway and 215 interchange. As Summerlin West continues to grow, increased traffic conditions have made the area more congested. The current configurations of the interchange cannot handle the volume of traffic that is currently seen on a daily basis. With the expansion of Summerlin West and the upcoming Summerlin Urban Core, this interchange will be more important than ever. Howard Hughes Corporation in the past few months has come up with a plan for the area to bring in big businesses into Summerlin West by developing corporation campus ideas. This is an obvious attempt to get big businesses from California to relocate to Summerlin. With these ideas to bring big business into the area, this means bringing in more traffic as well. According to a December 26, 2022 report from the Review Journal, this $100 million plan to change the Summerlin interchange will create 4 new roadway bridges, 3 brand new trail bridges, brand new ramps, and the widening of the existing Summerlin Parkway bridge. This all makes sense since we have seen massive development of Redpoint Summerlin, Redpoint Square Summerlin, Kestrel Summerlin, and Kestrel Common Summerlin. More Summerlin villages are currently under construction right now, so this improvement to the area is needed more than ever. Summerlin West will also be seeing an increase of commercial zones too. Expect commercial zones in Urban Core, Kestrel Summerlin, and to the west of Redpoint Summerlin. Expect traffic conditions in the area to get pretty bad during the 18-month construction period of this project. It should be interesting to see what changes will actually look like once those plans have been released to the general public. If you have any questions about Summerlin West real estate, future development plans, or questions about Summerlin, please leave me a comment below or call me directly at 702-768-2552 or visit me on the web at www.michaelbondi.realtor for more information.